Hey everyone, Todd here from Swing Trade Pros. Thanks for joining into our channel and watching today's tutorial video. I wanted to do a quick little video on alert and chart management as it's something that I believe that we should all look at and improve. I've been getting a few questions lately in regards to how do I save my charts, how do I structure them for the alerts, and then the third question would be how can you quickly and easily edit an existing alert. So the first thing that I'll mention here is I run numerous charts for the alerts. I've got a scalper chart for the scalper alerts, and I've got a swing chart for each swing bot. So that means that I can quickly load each chart to see what the alerts are doing, and then therefore know what each bot has done in the past or what the deal should be. This is not only very helpful for troubleshooting, but also for maintenance of the alert. Maybe you want to change the indicator settings, or maybe you want to change a time frame or whatnot, right? So the first thing for this video that we'll get into is how to save charts on TradingView for your alerts. I'm just on my general trading layout here. So step one would be load a clean chart layout or a new chart layout. So you're going to want to come over here to manage chart layouts. This is the drop down. Now I'm just going to click new chart layout. So load a brand new chart. Disregard the alerts that are popping up. The step number two, for me at least, is turn autosave off. I don't like the autosave function. I noticed that it was very convoluted when I had it on because I find I change time frames. If I'm on a trading chart, I might jump from the 1 minute to the 15 to the hourly and back and vice versa. And I didn't like that the autosave did what it was supposed to. It auto-saved each change that I had, and I ended up doing more damage to the charts than I wanted to. So I find it's better for myself that I save the charts with everything that I want on them, and then I just load that chart, trade on it, and I'll close it. The only time I'll save that chart with the change is if I actually wanted to make a change. So I'm going to leave autosave off. This will be up to you guys. For the alert charts, I would highly suggest turn autosave off. Now from here, we're on XBT USD on the 2 minute. The quick and easy way to do this would be if you don't have a 2 minute chart, just go down here to add it. And then I'm going to make sure that we're on HA for the indicator. Going to come over here to settings, click show real prices on price scale. This is because we're only using the HA candles for quicker indicator entry. We want to use the real prices, and we want to have the real prices shown though instead of the HA formula, which calculates it a little different. So the step three then will be load the indicator. So we've already got the time frame up. So you're going to come over to indicators, invite only scripts. For the scalper, we're going to go rapid fire re-entries. From there, you're going to edit the indicator settings if you need be. But in this case, we've got our 20 and 6 with 0.7 take profit for both longs and shorts on it. So we're just going to leave it. As you can see, you've caught numerous re-entry longs all the way up. And you did as well catch one re-entry short on the dip down to just above 10K. So from here, the easiest way to do and save the chart is just to come over here, click save or Control and S. You can click this a few times. You'll see it's all good. From there, I can go to rename, and let's type this one out as the scalper chart. So I'll click save and OK. From here, this is the scalper chart. Mind you, I've already got another chart for it, but this will be just for the purpose of this video. Now, to check out the other charts that you have, maybe you want to build a swing bot chart and another trading chart. I just come down here to load chart layout, and you can go over and you can see the other charts that you have saved and whatnot. So I'm going to load the swing bot on the hourly chart, which is BTC USDT, sorry, I should say. And from here, I do have alerts based on this. We won't edit anything on this. We'll go and we'll create new alerts on the scalper chart. But this is what I use just for quick reference on what the hourly chart is doing or the hourly bot. And as you can see here, if you look at it, the hourly bot has been in place since candle close. and would be up about 8.59% or 8.54%, depending on if it was market entry or limit. So really good. This is a very quick and easy way just to save and edit your charts, and then from there you build your alerts off of each saved chart. So this being the SwingBot chart, I will only build SwingBot chart alerts on this for one bot. You know, this is the hourly bots chart. I build the alerts off of this direct. So that way I'm not going on to another chart, you know, risking having different settings and whatnot. I know I build the SwingBot chart, I build the SwingBot alerts off of it, and it's set it and forget it. And if I ever need to change anything on it, I load this specific chart and then edit the alert, which is part 3 of this little video here. So let's get out of the BTC USD SwingBot chart and let's go to edit an existing alert on a saved chart. So for the purpose of this video, let's just make a new alert. So I'll click Alt and A, or you can just click over here as well. So we load the indicator. Let's go buy alert once per bar close. Not even going to do a webhook URL or no notification. And let's just call this 111 buy, just to show you how easy it is to edit this alert. So first, what you'll have to do is you'll have to open the alert pane, right? Then load the alert chart with existing alerts built off of it. So that alert, actually, let's make it easier so it shows up at the top of the list. AA by create. Okay, so that new alert is here, right? So I'm just going to, I can click here, this alert. If I click on the alert here, it'll load the chart. So that's another handy tip for you guys. If you want to ever change an alert, you can just click the chart. From there, I'm going to make the indicator setting change and then save the setting on the chart. So let's say if I wanted to go over here and make this 20 and 7 or something, you know, I could then come over here and I can save the chart, right? Then from there, I just have to load the alert, and I note the indicator will show up twice. So if I load this now, this was the 20 and 6 setting. This is the 20 and 7 setting below. So I can click that, I can click save, and now I know that I've just made that change to 20 and 7, or whatever setting that you want to change on the indicator, right? A quick and easy way to double check that you've got the indicator correct from your alert to your chart is simply by loading that same alert and just double checking that you only have one signal setting, right? So now let's do this in backwards just to see that you've got it correct. So if I go back to 20 and 6, you know, this is still 20 and 7, this is 20 and 6. So I know that I'm on 20 and 7, this is 20 and 6. I can click this, okay, save it again. You know, you can play around with it a few times. You can also do different time frames as well. An easy way to change time frames is if you wanted to do this, you could just, let's say you wanted to trade on a 1 minute or something, right? Load the 1 minute. You'd obviously have to tweak the signal settings for it, right? But you could load the 1 minute. You can go to that alert. You can now change it to the 1 minute, and you could just go crossing, you know, 1,000 or something. You don't want to trigger that alert, so you want to set it to a value that's lower than the current price. I could just go click save. That now saved this alert, which has a webhook on it with all the text to start a bot. That just changed the time frame from the 2 minute to the 1 minute. Now the next thing you'd have to do is just load the indicator. Just go back to the indicator and hit buy once per bar close and save. So that's a very easy way to run through how to structure your charts, and then how you can load each chart and then modify the alert. It's always easier to edit an existing alert, because when you've got all the, you know, when you've got the webhook URL in there for 3Cs, you've got the deal description in there, you've got the deal start text, especially when you're dealing with, you know, the scalper alerts are super easy. It's one alert for a long bot, sorry, 2 alerts for a long bot and 2 alerts for a short, but it's separate conditions, right? It's a buy and a rebuy. When you get into the swing bot, you've got 2 different deal codes in it on the one alert. It's a lot of text. It can be confusing for people. So once you've got that all overlaid and all the deal start conditions done down below here, if you ever wanted to redo it, you don't want to have to redo that text and, you know, make sure that that alert fires and retest it with a low balance and whatnot. You can just simply come over and do what I just showed you guys in the video here is, you know, change the signal settings directly on the indicator, pull the drop down open. If you have a different setting on the alert than the indicator, than the chart, it'll show up. If it's correct, you'll have only one indicator with the settings that match. You know, changing time frames is super easy as well. Just change it on the alert, the alert chart, then change it on the alert itself, resave it as the new time frame, then switch back to the indicator. It's super easy. So from there, I hope this really helps you guys and gals, and I hope this helps to kind of give you a bit more insight about how I've set up my charts on my end for everything, just so that you can see how easy it is, and it doesn't have to be hard. You know, we shouldn't have to scroll through numerous alerts and then have to rebuild the chart. It should just be simple. You know, keep it simple. Keep one chart for one swing bot and one chart saved for a scalper bot, and it's less to manage overall. So anyways, I hope this has been helpful and informative. If you want any more information on our scalper or our swing bots, please be sure to come on over to our Discord. We do offer a free trial of our indicator as well, the buy and sell, which the swing bot runs off of. And, you know, just by joining our Discord, you can come hang out, check out the profits and see how everyone's doing. We also do have an options bot service, which tracks unusual activity and sweeps, as well as an alert service. So from here, signing out, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on the next one.